this award is actually somebody that does, it's impossible to words, does so much for farm animals in need. This is a person who, it doesn't matter day or night, I can call and say, there's an animal in New York City and I have nobody that can drive. Can you pick that animal up? And the very first time I met this person, or really got to know this person, is when they called and asked me if I would take a calf. So, Mike Stura.
Off you go.
So he just thanked me for letting me help, him help me, which makes absolutely no sense. So Mike had